cut here beside the bone. And then we go straight to the leg. Connecting with the wings and the breast. We need to open like this so that we can see the joint there.
Joint.
The joint we need to cut that one. Like that. And then this side also.
Also, you need to explain to them when they are cutting, when you are cutting this, it's important.
Yes.
Your knife, you have to feel the bones.
Yes,
When
yes.
you touch, feel the bone and sharp. You need to feel it on your hand. That's why it's a butcher. When you go to school, they teach you. Take your knife and touch the bones. When you have to build hard, you slide it. You don't press, you slide. That's why your knife has to be sharp.
Sharp.
You slide it. When it's moved, you slide. When it's moved, you slide. Okay? Never do like this, like carpenter. You just slide it, slash
Slide
it,
it
slash it.
upwards.
Okay? Good. Go ahead.
Yeah, the other side also. Make sure your knife is with the side of the bone. When you cut already that one, it's easy to you to remove the hidden bones. You need to do like this to pull it up. And pull. So now, the bones is already cut. That side also. And then, not yet that, then pull. Make it, butterfly this one. Side. Yan, this one is the bilis pata. You use this one for galantine. Yeah, only galantine and also 3 birds.